Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have filmed this very anti-Valentine's Day look. So I decided to go a little bit darker, a little bit grungier than normal, you know, because that's just what we do. So if you like this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A palette. I completely love this palette and it's included in my giveaway. If y'all haven't seen it, I am currently doing a giveaway, so go check out my last video for all the products and how to enter. Okay, so I had asked y'all on Twitter, I did a little poll to see what look y'all wanted to see, and I think it was like 50-something% of y'all chose a pink black smoky eye, so that's what we're gonna do today. And to get started, I'm gonna be taking this shade as a transition shade on my BH Cosmetics V5 brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this directly in the crease. I'm gonna tap it in the crease first before I do any blending because I did not set my concealer. And once that shade is applied, I'm just gonna go in windshield wiper motions to blend out the color. And I'm going to be building up this color directly in the crease, and I'm going to be going in windshield wiper motions. Now that that shadow is placed, I'm going to be taking the same brush and this kind of darkish pinkish shade and apply it directly above the previous one. So I'm going to start off by applying the color in windshield wiper motions directly in the crease, and once there's little to no product left in my brush, I'm going to bring it up higher. So now that the color is placed, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly blend the edges. I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 17 brush and this darker pinker shade right here. Okay guys, and this is going to go a little bit below the crease. And I'm keeping this shade directly in the crease. I know like right there y'all can see the line of separation, but we'll blend that out in a little bit. Now I'm just going to switch back over to my number 5 brush by BH Cosmetics with no additional product, just to blend out the edges. Going back to the number 17 brush and the same shade, I'm just going to pack it all over the lid and intensify the shade a little bit more. And before moving on to the next shade, I'm just going to take a baby wipe to clean up the outer edge so I don't overdo it with the darker colors. I'm going to be taking the same brush and the darkest plum shade in like the pink color section, and I'm going to apply that lower in the crease and all over the lid as well. I'm going to be doing the same windshield wiper motions, just a little bit lower in the crease. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to pick up a lot of product, tap off the excess, and tap it straight on my lid. And now I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics number 8 brush and this black shade, and I'm going to pack this on the lower eyelid. So I'm going to be packing this on the lower eyelid because black can get messy really quick, so I want to make sure to take my time blending it out. Now I'm going to switch back over to that 17 brush and blend out the edges a little bit more. Okay guys, and now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished the other eye, and all I did was apply some falsies, and I applied the Azeredo Cosmetics Lashes and Legendary, and these are like my favorite lashes, and I do have a discount code with them, so y'all could use code Adriana10 for some money off. And then I went into my Sugar Glow Kit and applied the shade Starburst, Starburst on the brow bone. So now let's get started with the face. So I have already primed my face, so to start off I'm going to be taking my Fenty foundation in the shade 170 Cool, and I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe sponge. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my sponge is so clean, so I've always struggled with washing my beauty blenders and like my sponges, and I figured out what to do so they can like come off super clean. So if y'all want like a tutorial on that, or like a small video on how to clean your beauty blenders and sponges and make sure they come out like perfectly clean, let me know. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. I didn't think as many people would have entered the giveaway as y'all have, and it's barely been like 2 days. So I do have a giveaway going on, and I've posted a video on it. So if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure y'all go watch that video, and it will end this upcoming Sunday. I'm gonna be uploading a video, and in that video I'll be including the giveaway winner. It's something fun to look forward to. So now that the foundation is on, I'm gonna be taking 2 concealers, and I'm gonna start off by applying my Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. And then on top of that, I'm going to take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And my Smashbox one is in the shade Fair Light, but I like it because it's very watery. It's just a little bit too yellow for me. And then I'm just going to add a couple stripes underneath the eyes in the shade Light 1 Chantilly. Something like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. And I'm going to be setting underneath the eyes with my Coty Airspun powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. And I absolutely love this powder. I have no idea why I stopped using it. Now that the highlight is set, I'm going to go ahead and take my Sephora Microsmooth powder and my e.l.f. Complexion Brush. And this is in the shade Light. And I always set my entire face because even though it's wintertime, throughout the day my skin gets really oily. But then it's dry, but it gets oily. Now that my face is set, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Morphe R2. Okay guys, and now that I'm bronzed up, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Megaglo little contouring palette. And I cannot find what shade it is, but it is I'm pretty sure it's Dulce de Leche. So I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my cheekbones with that. And I'm just going to go back with my sponge and a little bit more of that Airspun powder to clean up underneath the bronzer and contour a little bit. And while that's in, I'm going to be taking my Sugar Glow Kit and the same shade Starburst and apply that on the highs of the cheekbones. And to apply it, I'm using the It's My Raye number 5 brush from Azeredo Cosmetics. I'm also going to be applying the shade Starburst on the Cupid's bow and on my nose. Now that that is done, I'm going to be applying my Milani blush in the shade 01 Romantic Rose and using this Azeredo Cosmetics rounded brush. It's the 124. So I used to like hate blush, and I don't know why, but recently I've been like, I feel like blush has been completing the look. And for lips, I'm going to be taking my ABH Liquid Lip in the shade Striped. And to finish off the whole look, I'm going to be setting my face with my Mario Rose Water. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied the 2 transition shades that I used in the beginning underneath the eyes, because I forgot about it. I forgot about underneath the eyes, which I always do. But besides that, that concludes this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already.